Everyone thinks the best-selling torque wrench is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LEXIVON Torque Wrench. First up is the LEXIVON Torque Wrench, priced at $44.97. This one caught my eye due to its 4.6-star rating from over 35,200 reviews, definitely a bestseller. If you want precision and durability for your engine work, this one is worth a serious look. The LEXIVON is engineered in Taiwan and is pre-calibrated to +4% accuracy. This means you can trust it to deliver dependable torque every time, which is crucial when you're working on your engine. It also features a reinforced ratchet gear made from hardened chrome vanadium alloy steel, ensuring it can handle tough jobs without breaking down. Plus, the high-contrast dual-range scale makes it easy to read the torque settings, even in dim light. Now, some people mention that the click mechanism can be a bit too soft for their liking. But here's the thing, if you're careful and listen closely, you'll still feel and hear it quite well. For most users, this isn't going to be a deal-breaker, especially given the precision and durability you're getting. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable torque wrench for various engine applications. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter wrench or if you're on a very tight budget. For the features you're getting, the value is definitely there. Product number 2, ePauto Torque Wrench. Next, we have the ePauto 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench, priced at $31.32. This wrench has a 4.6-star rating with over 23,300 reviews, making it a solid contender. If you want something easy to store and use, this is worth considering. The ePauto is built with a durable ratchet head made from hardened chrome vanadium steel, giving it a nice balance of strength and usability. It's pre-calibrated to ±4%, ensuring you get accurate torque settings every time. The included sturdy plastic case makes it easy to store and transport, which is great for those who work in different locations. Plus, the click sound lets you know when you've hit the preset torque, so you won't overshoot your targets. However, a few users complain that the handle could be a bit slippery when their hands are oily. But honestly, if you wipe your hands before use, it should be fine. Not everyone will find this to be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, portable option for your engine work. Skip this one if you need a more heavy-duty wrench or have larger torque needs. For the price, it offers great value without compromising on quality. Product number 3, Craftsman Torque Wrench. Now let's talk about the Craftsman Torque Wrench, priced at $53.98. With a 4.7-star rating from 4,400 reviews, it's a popular choice. If you want something that's easy to adjust on the go, this is a solid option. What stands out about the Craftsman is its bimaterial handle designed for comfort and grip. This makes it easier to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. It also features a locking mechanism for quick adjustments, which is super handy when you're in the middle of a job. Plus, the scales for both inch and metric torque settings are stamped into the housing, allowing for quick reference. One thing to note is that some users mentioned that the case is a bit bulkier than expected. But to be honest, if you have a dedicated workspace, that's not a huge concern. The trade-off for the comfort and ease of use is worth it for many. This is perfect for you if you value comfort and ease of adjustment in your tools. Skip this if you need something ultra-compact for mobile use. For the features it offers, I think the price is justified. Product number 4, DISEN 9 PCS Torque Wrench Set. Next up is the DISEN 9 PCS Click Torque Wrench Set, priced at $55.17. With a 4.7-star rating from 267 reviews, this kit is versatile. If you want a complete solution for multiple torque needs, this is definitely worth your attention. The wrenches are factory calibrated to ±3% accuracy, which is fantastic for precision work. They also feature a clear, audible click to signal when you've reached the preset torque, making it easy to avoid over-tightening. However, some users noted that the case could be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, if you handle your tools with care, it's not a deal-breaker. The quality of the wrenches themselves makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile set for various applications. Skip this if you only need a single wrench for specific tasks. Considering all the pieces you get, it's a good value. Product number 5, DURAXION Torque Wrench. Finally, we have the DURAXION Torque Wrench, priced at $36.97. This one has a 4.7-star rating with just 33 reviews, which is newer but promising. If you want something that's both precise and user-friendly, this might be your pick. It has a loud click to notify you when you've hit your torque target, and its 72-tooth ratchet head allows for smooth operation even in tight spaces. The construction is solid with corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring it lasts for a long time. Some users mentioned the design could be a bit bulkier compared to others, but if you're working on larger engine components, that added size can actually provide better grip and control. This is perfect for you if you want high precision and ease of use. Skip this if you're looking for a compact design for tight spaces. Given its features and warranty, it's a respectable choice. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the LEXIVON, EP Auto, Craftsman, DISEN, and DURAXION torque wrenches. Each has its strengths, whether it's precision, versatility, or comfort. Depending on what your engine work needs are, there's definitely a solid option here for you. Make sure to choose one that aligns best with your specific requirements.